Hello everyone, I'm your Italian teacher Sara and today I'm with some common and basic Italian words. Let's start. Benvenuti, welcome. Benvenuti. Nuotare, to swim. Nuotare. Fare esercizio, to do exercise. Ballare, to dance. Giocare, to play. Sudare, to sweat. Andare in bicicletta, to ride a bike. Correre, to run. Aprire, to open. Mi piace for a like and I don't like, you just add to non. Non mi piace and molto is very much. Camminare, to walk. Camminare. Saltare, to jump. Saltare. So there's an exercise, you just need to place the verb in the last of the sentence and write your answers in the comments. I also solved this exercise at the end. So pause the video and write your answers in the comments. Thank you so much and must subscribe to my channel for new videos like this.